I've always been curious about the quality of water in my backyard watering holes, and now after the Ohio train disaster, I'm even more curious. So I got a water test kit and I'm going to test the water. This is my first water test kit. I have never used one before. I don't know if this company is good or not, so this is an experiment. I like this test because it tests for 17 things in the water. I was mostly interested in mercury, lead, fluoride, sulfates, nitrates. There is also 2 bacteria tests, but I'm going to leave those for a potential local contamination. Hopefully I won't have to use it. So the water in my watering holes is mostly rainwater with water collecting from the sump pump. And I'm also curious if there is any runoff from the neighborhood streets. So I'm going to collect the water in a clean glass bottle. There is a plastic tube included in the test, but I'm going to use the glass bottle so I can compare it with the water from the fridge, the filtered water, and I'm going to use 2 exactly the same glass bottles. So in the test kit there is 100 test strips, 2 bacteria tests, which I'm not going to use this time, a plastic tube for collecting water, user guide, record chart so I can write down the results, and the EPA standards reference sheet with maximum levels and recommended limits for different things found in water. So to do the test, I'll need 2 test strips and my water. This is the water from the fridge, from the filter, and this is water from the watering hole. There are several separate packages of the strips so they can be kept sealed. So the directions say to dip the strip for 2 seconds and remove. So here it goes. Two seconds. Gently shake off any excess water from the test strip. Compare test pads to the color chart immediately. So let's compare it. The test chart is on the bottle with the strips. So the first one is pH. Looks like 6.0. Hardness. This is kind of bluish, purplish. 100. Hydrogen sulfide. It's white. Iron is also white. Copper is yellow, so looks like 0. Lead is yellow, looks like 0 also. Manganese, yellow, 0. Chlorine, white, so 0. Mercury, it's pinkish, so it's 0. Nitrate, it's not totally white, so I would say this one 25, maybe 10. Nitrates, another one. Also not totally white, so I would say 1. Sulfates. It's definitely purple, not blue. So either 0. Yes, 0. Zinc. It's pink, so it's 0. Fluoride, 0. Sodium chloride. It's dark red, so it's 0. Alkalinity. It's between yellow and green, so kind of forte. So the result is, if the results are correct, they are good. Nothing really harmful. So let's test the water from the fridge just for comparison. I've got another strip. 2 seconds. Shake the excess water and let's compare it to the other one. The one on top was from the backyard. The one on bottom was from the fridge. Looks to me like the colors are the same. That's weird. Well, I'm not sure if the test was successful or not. Thanks for watching.